Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will discuss about the new UI Google Dialer app or all settings. If you have latest Google Pixel device or stock Android device, you can see the new Dialer application settings. So open app drawer on your device and open the phone app on your phone to see the new. Here you can see the home button or keypad button. Remove the recent buttons from the list on your device. Also, you can when you make a phone call, you can see the new option. Let's try. Here we open or call these function. Now you can see the keypad, mute, tap on the three dots to show add call, video call, hold button. So you can see these new settings on these new UI Google Dialer application on your device. At the top you can see the all missed contacts, non-spam, spam answered, your favorite contact list. Also change the UI of this contact list on your device. Also tap on a three horizontal line. Here you can check all your contacts, all settings. In the settings you can see the new option for caller ID spam. Here you can change your incoming call gesture pattern like a horizontal swipe or a single tap you want to set on your device. At the bottom you can see the new feature, most calling card feature. Here you can set customize how you can see your contact when you call you. So here you can set the photo image of your contact, so whenever he call you, you can see the photo. So this is the all new changes for the new Google Dialer application on your device. So check out on your device. That's it. If you like it, share it, or please hype it if you like this new feature.